Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a floor mirror. I'll be using these pieces of wood and I will be connecting them using my L brackets. The lengths are 6 by 2.5 feet. So I'm just taking my drill and screwing my screws in each corner. Next, I took some trash bags and laid them on the floor, and I'm going to be putting my frame on top. Next, I'll be using these foam wreaths that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I had a bunch of them left over from another project that I was doing, so I will be using these. My first idea was totally different from what I decided to do in the end, so I just first started off by moving the rings around the frame to figure out what I wanted to do. I eventually had an idea of adding a mirror. So after I decided that's what I wanted to do, I then put the rings around the mirror. Next, I took a can of Great Stuff and I went around the mirror, and I made sure I didn't get the foam inside of the rings. I just wanted to get the outsides. And I know a lot of you were wondering, would the mirror hold up? And I was wondering the same thing. But once the foam dried, it locked the mirror in perfectly. And I am making sure that I am getting the foam in between the rings also. I wanted to make sure that all the rings were connected together, and I definitely wanted to make sure that the mirror was connected as well. And after I was done with the foam, I let this sit for 3 hours. I then took these pieces of paper and covered the mirror because I am going to be spray painting it gold. So after I spray painted it gold, this is how it turned out. And I think this mirror is very unique, and it was definitely very easy to make. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this mirror. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you care. See you later, Glitter Babes.